Unveiling the power of light in your garden. Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's the lifeblood of every garden: sunlight. We'll explore why understanding sunlight is crucial for your plants and how to make the most of it. Sunlight is like a plant's version of a power-up. It's the energy source for photosynthesis, the process that keeps plants growing, blooming, and producing oxygen. But not all sunlight is created equal. Let's break it down. There are essentially three categories of sunlight your garden might experience. First up, we have full sun. Plants that revel in full sun need a generous amount of direct sunlight, about 6 to 8 hours a day. Think of it as the prime time for your leafy friends to soak up all that goodness. Vegetables, fruits, and many flowers flourish here. Keep an eye on how the sun moves across your garden during the day. Note down the spots that get the most sun. Next, we have partial shade. This is like a balanced meal for your plants. They need about 3 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. It's perfect for plants that might feel the burn during the intense afternoon sun. So, if your garden has a spot that gets a good mix of sun and shade during the day, it's likely a partial shade area. Lastly, we have full shade. These are the spots in your garden where plants receive less than 3 hours of direct sunlight. Perfect for plants that like to keep it cool and moist. Understanding the sunlight preferences of your plants is like giving them a VIP treatment. Too much sun for a shade lover? Not a good idea. And vice versa. So, next time you're planting your garden, pay attention to where the sun's shining and for how long. Your plants will thank you. Thanks for watching.